My Mi phone lags and hangs while using it. Let's see how to fix lag and hang issues on Mi phones. First, go to Settings. Go to the Display and Brightness section. Go to Refresh Rate. Select 120 Hz. Now go to My Device. Make sure your phone is updated. Many times the phone hangs due to phone updates. If your phone is updated, click OS version 5 or 7 times. Now your phone's developer mode is enabled. Now go to Additional Settings. Go to Developer Options. Click on Animation Off. Go to the Transition Animation Scale and click Animation Off. Now go to the Animator Duration Scale and click Stop Animation. Turn on Force 4x MSAA. Now go to Background Process Limits. Click on At Most 2 Process. Now go to Apps. Now search for System Launcher. Now clear all caches. Now go to the Play Store. Go to Network Preferences. Select Don't Auto-Update Apps. After doing all this, restart your mobile. After restarting, your lag and hang issues will be solved.